Bye! Good morning! Dapat ko lang maghilamos lang ako mamaya ako maligo. Morning, Jenny!
You eating?
Nanood ako ng aking vlog. Kaya tinignan ko yung kulay ng aking vlog. Hoy!
Eat na siya.
May marites dyan sa baba ba?
Mami,
nagpunta ko sa natawa ako sa kanyang bash pero bahala siya, oy. Ha? Oh! Uniform ni Inday. Hindi namin ito na-ready.
Hindi man ka maklaro diya lang.
Get your panty.
Kamingo.
Na naman. Another blessing. I think that's daddy's. Your leggings.
I can't find my socks.
Socks? There's a lot of socks there.
They can't find it.
Yeah, just wait for mommy. Ha? What? Ngami. Kama sobrang kuan kay likot ni Jenny. Dito na naman siya kagabi. Princess. Okay, mag-make the hair, ha?
Whose hair?
Jenny's. Hello.
Princess saying hello. Princess Ninja.
Si JJ, ano siya sa school? Magaling. Ano siya sa school? Magaling. Madami siyang achievements. Madami siyang mga ano ba ginagawa doon. Who's that? Nagdi-DJ siya.
That's yours.
You. DJ. What else you do in school? Tapos Star of the Week. Ako bitaw dati, wala dyan akong ginagawa sa school. Not even once. Unsa na ka diha, Jenny?
I like kissing. Anyway, Mommy, when we're learning,
Yeah?
on the board, we don't have chairs.
No?
No.
Sometimes din daw kay siya daw nagtuturo sa kanyang friends doon sa board. Ano sa talaga siya? Meron siyang pagka-leader na bata.
Why do they always, Mommy?
Yeah?
Why do they always sing at school?
School?
Yeah, do you? Every Wednesday, I sing 2 times.
Do you? Your hair na po.
Okay.
Put your shoes ka. Jenny na naman. Aking wihisan. Is that okay now? Yeah?
But why did they different colors? Why is it not going down to here?
Because you said you don't want it so tight. Here you go. Go down now.
Why it's not going to here?
Yeah, it's not. Because you said you don't want it so tight. Ito na kami sa school. Come na lang. Do you wanna cross now? Yeah? Hold your hand. Come, JJ. Quickly, JJ. Walang lollipop lady today. Line up here, okay? Because it's still closed. We're too early again. I thought we're late. Because we left house 8:20.
Yeah.
But you'll be here soon. Jenny will go school soon.
Nothing there.
No, not the big one. In the little one.
I will be in the big one.
Yes. Ang pram doon ko iniwan yung pram sa isang side. You cannot see it? Oh, it's open na lang. Come on. You can't see it? Hello, pauwi na kami ni Inday. Ang aga namin nagchika ng aking kapatid dahil yung owner ng land na binilahan namin. May another land siya. Yung aming land, yung sa likuran is for sale, which is 200,000 pesos. So, maganda yun kasi pinuntahan ko na yun doon yung likuran, yung sa tubo. Maganda siya bilhin. So sinabihan ko si Wayne, I don't know kung ano yung decision ni Wayne. Maganda siya taniman ng mga prutas, ba? Ganun. Pag mabili namin yun, pataniman ko siguro ng mga prutas. Para pag nandun na kami, marami ng prutas. Yung rambutan, yung mga ganun ba, maganda siya. Pero sabi ng aking kapatid, wag mo nang bilhin yun. Oy! Kasi wala din kasi kami doon, walang mag-alaga ba. Pero maganda siya bilhin. At let's just see kung anong sabihin ni Wayne. Ang lupa kasi hindi siya magda-down yung value. Every year magtataas yung value. At yung money mo hindi nawawala sa iyo dahil lupa yan nandyan yan. Anytime pag ayaw mo, pwede mong ibenta. Tapos every year pa, lumalaki yung value ng lupa. Diba? Maganda magbili ng lupa. Isa sa mga gadget, ang gadget kasi, land, gold, yun yung magaganda. Ano yung tawag dyan? Ang tawag nga yan. Basta, yun na yun. Lakad muna kami ni Inday pa uwi. Very good sila today dahil hindi sila nagamit ng iPad. Andyan lang siya, naghag sa kanyang princess. Where's my baby? Naghag lang siya sa kanyang princess. Good girl man na ang bata ni Mommy, bye. As Mommy, can we bring our iPad? Sabi ko talaga no. Naawa ako sa kanila but I need to be firm. Kaya yung mga mata lang din nila yung masisira ba. Pag palagi akong yes. Maaga pala tayo nag-ulan. Kaya hindi masyadong malamig. Miko. Did you sleep? That's a good girl. You're so good. You've been sleeping. Natulog siya habang naglalakad kami. Did you enjoy your sleep? Let me see your forehead. What happened to your forehead? Agoy, nagpula man. Nagpula. Ako lutuan na ko si Jenny. Naghunahuna lagi ko kung sa'y lutuon. You being good girl, di ay? Huh? You been sleeping? You didn't use your iPad? That's a good girl. Good girl ko. Ayaw akong bata. You just hug your princess? Mas mabuti yan, anak. Hala, ang bahay parang naagian ng bagyo. Nag-chat kami ng aking sister. Wa pa man nag-reply si Wayne sa about sa lupa. Oy, yes? Didi?
Daddy didn't know.
Daddy forget it. He didn't bring it. Ito, This one, chocolate. Dahil ayaw namin kainin ito. Sila, pinipili lang yung favorite. Sabi ko, dalhin mo sa yung work. Baka gusto nila yung chocolate. Hindi dinala. Luto ko rice. Like, gutom na si Tita Jenny. Gusto niya daw kumain ng sushi. Sushi ang gusto niyang kainin. Aray ko. Hoy, ang basher sa baba ba? May nabasa ako. Trying hard kaya siya makaget ng reaction from me, no? You know what? You don't get any reaction from me. Mas mabuti na yung mga good comments yung ating pansinin kaysa yan sila. Bitaw, yung mga comment ng iba ba na muntik na daw. Napansin ko din, muntik ko na din masabi ang gender ni baby. No? Abangan! Malapit na guys. Wala man kaming kuan. Wala kaming anong tawag dito? Pa-gender reveal. Abangan nyo na lang sa pag-anak ko soon. Hindi naman kami mag-gender reveal. Kay, nalaman ko na. Tapos, ako lang mag-gender reveal. Wala naman akong ano kasi dito. Pagpasensyaan nyo pala ito aking tawil na lagom, no? Ang iba bitaw kay mag-ingon-ingon sa akin, no? Trying hard kayo ba sa messenger na basta mang upset good sila sa akin ng message. Pero okay lang yan. Gusto niyo babalikan ko kayo mag-reaction? Para bibo ang ating para bibo yung ating kuan live. I-reaction natin yung mga bash. Bitay sa pa. Magkuha ako ng rice. Gutom naman Inday Jenny di ay oy. Nalibot kasi ako ng una. Pa doon ko'y pang shorts. Nagpanti-panti lang ako dito sa bahay. Naglinis kasi ako. Tapos si JJ andun sa school. Happy yun siya kay nasa school. Soon, dalawa na sila ni Jennifer mag-aral. Kami na lang ng baby dito. Tapos, it takes 3 years bago mag-aral yung ating bunso. So, okay lang yun, oy. 3 years. Kay si Jenny, 4 years. Na-late kasi yan siya. Na-late siya. So, ang bunso natin, after 3rd birthday. Mag-aaral na yan siya. Hopefully, healthy lang ang lahat, no? So, asan na yun? Tala. Baka makita niyo yung aking lubot. Hindi pa pala ako tapos dyan sa aking dito. Mag-brush pa ako dyan. Dyan sa gilid. Tapos itong mga bag. Babalik ko ito. Yung bag ni Inday na sobrang ng dumi. Nakalinis na ako dito sa living room. Dito ko lang ito ibalik sa ating glass na cabinet. Sa kanila lang talagang litrato dito. Sa mami ni Wayne. Ito kay parang, sino nga yan siya? Hindi ko naaalala. Kapatid nila na lalaki. Ayun pa. Ako kasi hindi ako mahilig ba. Picture. Nasa gabalan ako pag mayroon dyan lagay-lagay sa loob. Ayun si Alex. Mugu-mugu juice. Hindi man masarap yung mango. Yung isamo gid kaya ang aming ref ay gigan na nagmakaroni ako last time. Yan parang spaghetti macaroni. Di ko na to kainin. Di ko siya type. Mas gusto ko yung straight na kuan. Yan pasta. Sayang kaayo. Ayaw ko yung lasa niya. Mas masarap yung spaghetti talaga na tunay. Ayun, sayang kaayo. Hindi ko na kinain. Jenny? You okay? You rest your eyes from iPad now. Thank you lang. Play with the kuan ka, toys ka. Okay, mabait naman yung aking mga anak. Sobrang blessed natin sa buhay pag meron tayong mga anak. Ang iba kasi yung basis nila ng happiness is maraming pera, maraming views, maraming ganito, maraming ganyan. Nauubos lang naman yung pera, uy. Ang anak always nagbibigay ng happiness. Yung pera, even though na mag-earn ka pa ng ilang thousand, kung hindi ka naging millionaire, wala kang business, mauubos at mauubos talaga. Hindi siya always. Ang sa akin lang talaga is, yung ating anak, always yan sila nandyan, na magbibigay sa atin ng happiness, diba? Kasi wala yan silang price. Priceless yan sila. Walang price na makakabayad. No matter how many million. Oh, you're playing your horsey? That's a good girl. Nagubot na naman yung kanyang buhok ay nagpatanggal. May nilaban ako dito na gamit ni baby. Ayan, puti. 1 to 3 months. Ito siya lahat. Tapos nagbili na ako ng kanyang bath chair para sa kanyang pagligo. Konti na lang yung kulang, makukumpleto na.
You need to put this back on.
What is it?
Oh, see, you need to put this back on. Where's the hole?
The hole. Hindi pa namin na-assemble yung swing ni baby. Yan. Yung laruan para yan kay baby.
I can't see.
Binigay namin yan sa mga bata Christmas. Tapos malaki naman sila. Uy, hindi na yan pang bata ba? Na age nila Inday. So yan yung mga coloring dito. Meron silang mga toys. Yung horse. Kailangan ko pa yan iligpit. Ito, yung stroller, gusto namin itapon. Sabi ni Wayne, baka daw mag-okay pa siya pag anuhan ba, linisan. Iwan ko, gusto niyang iligpit. Ayaw ko man yan na stroller, kay medyo mabigat siya ba pag itulak, mas maano sa ligid. Anong ligid? Yung ligid niya ba, mahirap. Horse is wearing it. Agoy, nangati na naman po siya.
Take it off again.
What happened to your dress? Agoy, nagka-oil.
Because when we went to the store, when we went to the park, I'm dirty.
You have to change. I keep telling you, you have to change. But you keep putting your dress back on. You're a horse? Yeah? A horsey. You wanna eat there? Tingnan nyo yung food niya. Wait and shoot, tita. Sushi. Sobrang happy niya sa kanyang sushi.
I can climb up.
What? Now, let's eat. Kain tayo, mga titas. Oh, pinahuyop-huyop pa talaga siya, uy. You have to put it all in your mouth. Do you like it? Yummy? Rice lang yan. Plain rice at saka sushi. Matigas.
My dear, keep climbing now.
Kain tayo, uy, mga gwapa. Kulitis yung aking sudan adobo. Yes?
I have a funny dream you poop in your pan.
Hoy! Sama na imong dream. Mommy, pop!
You poop in your pan, sucker.
That's what you call pinky? Where's the tambe? Show me. Oh, that's one. Oh, so you didn't put it there? That one? And there's nothing inside? Wee, did you enjoy your day?
Yeah, which one's not real?
This. Dito tayo daan, nak. Dito tayo magdaan. Sobrang busy doon sa isang side dahil ang daming parents. There's a lot of parents, nak. Jessica, ito ra ba siya kay pag mag-wrong grammar ako kay correction dayon ako. Jessica, there's a lot of parents. Pag marong ang aking pronunciation. Tapos sabihin niya sa akin, oh, nag-aral ka ba, mami, ng English? Sabi ko, hindi.
Mommy,
Yes?
year 3, year 4, year 5, and year 6 can go in that gate now.
Really?
I think.
That one is open now? So, some people
Oh,
are there?
no, I didn't know.
Oh, I think so. That's open now lang. Oh,
It's
right.
open for the children, the children that's already there, I think.
Oh, that's already there.
I think.
Oh,
I don't know.
right. So, some people go there?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I just think.
How's your day? Did they wonder why you didn't go on?
One of them, when we was playing,
Yeah?
they
Did they ask you why Jessica not in school?
no, they didn't say that.
Oh, they didn't
Which one
say.
is not real?
The middle one.
No, this one.
Kami, we need to cross, anak. Jenny's sleeping. Hoy, pag-ingat po dun. Because that is the crossing now. Bago tong gawa yung crossing nila. Sige.
Jenny.
Oh, Jenny's heavy. Yeah, is that okay? Yeah? No, you can put it like that. Yeah, laying down. Are you done? You don't want any more?
What happens if it spills?
It won't because it's not open yet. Is that okay? So we get some bread now.
the bread.
Oh, you want that one? Oh no, we need to get the cheese over there. We have to
And
go
the-
back. So
But
we just get the bread and then
I
the
get my
cheese.
bread.
Yeah, and then egg. The muffin bread. Yeah.
Not
Okay.
the cake.
Huh?
Not the cake one.
Not the cake one.
I mean the one that.
Oh, I
has
want some
egg and
coconut.
Coconut.
Coconut milk. Where is it? Coconut.
Just
Wait,
get,
coconut.
Get some milk and then just put the nuts in there.
It's not like that. Coconut, the real coconut ba? Asan ba yung coconut nila dito? I think it's here in the Asian. No, not that one. Asian aisle na.
What?
In the Asian aisle, I think it's
That's
there.
the Asian aisle.
No, this one.
That's not.
This one here.
I don't see.
There it is, Jessica. See? Coconut milk.
Oh.
I'll just get this one. Elman, oy. M, I think mommy is. That's 13
That's
pounds.
This is M. That's L.
I'm not L. Do you think I'm L?
Yes.
Hoy! That's too big. When mommy have a baby, I want to use this one. Di na ko magamit nito kay mas hassle
Ma,
kasi
you
ito
are
ito siya
having a
itapon lang, ha?
Anyway, I see her butt.
How many is in here? 8,
Hey,
12.
This one
Ito
has
na lang.
12. This one has 12.
This one have 12 too. But is this medium? It's like a panty. You know when you have
this is
ladies'
super.
days?
This is super.
That's super. How about this one? 12. 12. 9, 12. Ambot, hindi ko man marunong. Or that one. This one. Normal.
Mom, how about this one? This one's Zen. But it's long.
That one, I don't like it because you have to put it inside your panties.
And then you need to collect it from your pants.
Yeah. Ang nice na. What do you think is nice?
I think
Ang ganda nito, no?
Mommy, I think always. I think this one.
Always. This one here,
Oh.
8 to 14, 6. Feels like underwear super absorbent.
I think
Yeah, how many is in there? I think there's more. Wait there. I will just call Daddy, ha?
this one is time 12.
Time, time 12.
So get this.
No, I'll just get this one. I'll get one more next time. Kaya tag 9 pound kasi siya. Mas maganda to eh. Parang panty lang siya. Let me see. Oh, there's another one. There's 6 pound na. Hello?
We're in Morrison's.
Honey?
Daddy, we're in Morrison.
We're in Morrison.
I'm running a bit late, Daddy.
Oh,
I just left work now.
it's alright. It's okay. Huh?
Are you in Morrison?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you got the pram?
Yes.
Oh,
Because Jenny is... Okay, Jenny is sleeping.
okay, I'll
But I'll have to cook when we're home.
just cook when we're home.
Yeah, or you're hungry now.
No, I can wait.
Yeah?
Yeah, so I'm on my way home now. I'll go home, I'll change the car, and I'll come and get you. It might be a while yet.
Okay, May and JJ is just selecting the panties.
Okay. Take your time, Mummy, okay?
Huh?
Take your time.
Okay.
Take your time to stay in the wall.
Okay.
Okay, see you
See
later.
you. Bye.
Two
Nak,
sides.
this one is 6 pound. 12. 12 ang nandito. How about this one? Always. Ah, okay. Dalawa na lang.
Look. It's double side watch.
It's double side for that one. Ito yung gamitin ko sa hospital. Ayan. At ito sa bahay.
Ew, look at her stinky belly.
Ito tag 6 pound lang. Ito tag 9 pound.
Wait, I'm just looking at this.
At meron dan 8 pound. Oy, are you awake?
Hi. We're in Morrison. Does it slip?
That's for the soap. Hello. Hiya. Do you want to go out? Huh?
Tell Daddy Jenny's a
Why your face like that? Want to go come down? No? Uy, isa naman na.
I want to do drive like this.
Yeah. Okay, we get the cheese.
Yes. Let me get out. I don't want to.
You want to get down? No? Okay. Nak, I like that patty, oh.
Healthy biscuits.
Get Jenny one be, the vegetable one. Mayroong baby bath dito, oh, para sa bata. Ito siguro, oh, magkuha siguro tayo nito, no? Para kay baby ba? Isa lang. Naka-down kasi siya. Ayan, oh, naka 4 pound na lang. Mahal, oh, Aveeno. Mahal kayo ilang pang ano dito lang. Yes?
That's one the big pack.
Down the bottom there. Green one. Yes, please. Magkuha din tag. Uy!
Can you do this? Here you go. Yeah.
Take it.
Mommy, also, can you have that water?
Okay. They have some wet wipes here. Huh?
Where's that thing again?
What thing?
The one that Jenny bought last time. The yogurt. That
Oh, it's in the other side. Oh, meron ito, oh, 2 and 1. 1 pound. Ilan ang nandito? 4. Pampers. Para sa lubot ni baby. Tag 16 pound ito. Down to 9 pound. Ayan oh. Pampers. 9 pound. Iwan namin yung mga gamit ko. Hindi pa nabayaran. Kaya mangihi na daw siya. I hope nobody will wonder, oh, whose grocery is this? Because maybe they'll put it back. Quickly lang. JJ, quick. Hi! Ate Oni! Give hug! Say hello! Happy New Year, Tis! Happy New Year! Ngayon lang tayo nagkita ulit.
How are you doing? Hey? Hey, how are you doing?
Hoy, baho! Walang ligo yan, te!
May pinipinta
You miss?
sa katapat.
As in? Magkano?
170 yata. Mura lang kasi.
As in?
2 bedroom lang sila.
Sabihan ko si 20. Nag-apply kami nung sabi ng babae. Kailangan pa daw kami i-evaluate.
Kailangan.
Dahil sa edad niya din kasi, te.
Medyo may edad.
May limit lang. Pauwi na kami. Nagchikahan kami ni Ate Oni. Namiss ko si Ate ay, as in. Ay, ang dami kong binili, oh. Nagkuha lang si Way ng trolley. Hala, there's twins. Why are you happy?
I don't know.
Jenny is happy. Did you get her that apple?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good job. Okay.
I already eaten mine.
Did you?
Yes, my banana.
Yes, honey. Shall I arrange that?
Name it now or in the shopping?
What?
Please.
That one? Kunin ko na lang siguro tong dahon kay murag pag alis namin naglakad ngayon ako ay nagda-drive. Sabi ni Wayne, are you driving? Sabi ko no, cause I'm your princess. Craig is there.
I can't see.
He's there.
I can't see.
Daddy just went in.
It's foggy. I can't see.
It's foggy? Oh no, it's so foggy, titas. Ay, ang mukha ni Jenny. I think it's done. Where is that thing?
Yeah, now we have a nice.
Yan, dito?
Look, we have leg rest.
Where? Oh my gosh. Leg rest bitaw. I should
Now
turn
I
the
can
car.
touch Daddy's head.
Shall I turn the car?
Yes,
Yes.
if you know how to,
I know how.
then do it.
Di man ito mag-stick good knock ang ating kuan. Ready? You need to trust mommy because if mommy's driving, you have to trust mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah? Takot si Jessica. Ayaw si Jessica, oy. Natatakot siya. Why are you scared?
I'm scared that you'll crash because when it's hard to turn.
Mm.
Is that
It's not. It's quiet. See? It's all quiet. Hindi na lang, oy. Magpuyo na lang kami dito.
I got it, Daddy, look my
Si Wayne nandun sa kay Bayaw.
Daddy.
Ayan yung sabi ni Bayaw, di ba sa amin? No? So, every time nandito talaga ako, yan yung nare-remember ko. That's yours, Elgin and Wayne. Na, pati si Bayaw. Taka man si Bayaw, oy. Where is Daddy?
Look.
Yung babae, oh. Oh, twins yung kanyang anak. Say hi, Craig.
I'm just
Dito bitaw sa sa UK, wala silang uncle, wala silang auntie. Ang kanila pangalan lang, hi Craig, hi Jessica, hi JJ, ganun. Wala silang ate, kuya, lolo, wala. Ay na, mayroon pala silang lolo. Say hi Craig. Hi. What? Hi Craig, you okay? I like your watch.
Yeah, he's looking very smart. He's got a watch on, have you?
Yeah, he's got a watch on.
Have a look at your watch.
Gold.
Oh, that's smart. That's why he looks very smart, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, except for my hair. Yeah, but yeah, he looks alright as well, like that. Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Jenny keeps turning it on and off.
Is she? She's playing, is she?
Yeah.
Okay. Hoy, nag-play ka, madam. Hi! Saan kain ni mo, day? Look at your face.
My baby from Bangkok loves her chocolate croissants.
Big one now. Oh, I washed this
Thank you.
one. That's why it's here. Is it dry?
It's dry, JJ.
Yeah.
Is it?
Is it?
No.
No.
Is it?
No, it's not.
No? Nagsalad ako ng saging. Ay, ito pala. Ito, ang aking coconut milk. I-mix natin sa ating saging. Yung puso ng saging yung aking hapunan for today. Kumain na yung aking mga mag-ama. Ako na lang yung naiwan. Linis din ako. Ngayon, nagluluto pa ako nitong puso ng saging. Ayan siya, oh. Yay! Tapos, next time, kung makabalik ako dun, bilhan ko siguro si Ate Orny. Magtanong ako kay Ate ba. So, gisahin. Lagyan ng coconut milk. Ay, kala, i-chat ko muna sa Ate. Coconut milk? Put in this. Natawa ako kasi ang dumi ng aming ito. Ito ba? Is stained everywhere. Aw. Ako na talaga yung natawa sa aking ginagawa. No? Kung ano-ano lang naiisip ko. Alam mo, sometimes, hoy, mag-isip ako, kakain ako ng ganito, kakain ako ng cassava cake, kakain ako ng kung ano-ano lang talaga. Binignit. Binignit. Saan na ako magkuha nag-chat si Ate? Teka lang. Kain tayo mga kaibigan. Oh, ito yung ating sudan. Ginataan na saging. Naluto na yun siya ay. Kaon sa kwa. Hello, inyong inday dito na laspag. I hope okay lang itong baby ko sa sinapupunan dahil sakit na naman ang aking tiyan. At hindi ko maintindihan yung aking feelings and understanding. Nag-contact ako kay mama. Nagbili ako ng mga food. Tapos hindi ko sinesearch muna. Nabawal pala sa akin. Tapos yung mga mga pag-search ko na, halimbawa, nagbili ako ng chicken liver. Hindi pala pwede yun sa buntis. Nagbili ako ng anong tawag nito? Basta kung ano-anong mga product ba. Tapos mamaya ako pa i-search na tapos na akong kumain. Tapos yung sa liver, nangyari nun is tapos na akong kumain, nag-search ako, pwede ba ang chicken liver? Hala kay pag ano kuman guys, pag ano man ang result kay, do not eat chicken liver daw dahil meron daw yan siyang vitamin A na masama sa bata. Ibang klase siya ng vitamin kasi dalawa daw yung klase ng vitamin. Merong vitamins from fruits na vitamin A, meron din sa liver. Which is bawal daw kay pag nadamihan mo daw it will cause to defects, mga ganito, mga ganyan. Nakulbaan ko. I'm always worried. So tinanong ko si Wayne, sabi ko, honey, do you think makikita yan sa ultrasound? Makikita man yan sa ultrasound, no? Kung okay ba ang bata or hindi. At sabi ko sa kanya, honey, I hope okay lang si baby. Yun din yung sabi ko kay mami. Ma, I hope, mama ko, I hope okay lang si baby, ma. Okay lang kaya to siya, ma. Sabi ni mama, okay lang man yan siya. Basta, di lang daw sobrang madami yung kinain, di ba? Nag-usap din kami ng friend ko, nabuntis din sa England. Sabi ko, Day, bawal pala yung liver sa manok, Day. Sabi niya, oo, Day, i-search daw, kay bawal daw na siya kainin. Nagkaong-kaong na ko. Sobrang sarap pa ng kain ko. Tapos nung December, alam nyo, grabe ba yung kain ko ng chicken liver nung New Year. Yan yung kinaka-worry ko ngayon. And I hope everything, palagi gid akong nagpe-pray na I hope everything is okay. Yun talaga yung nakakaano sa atin ba, pag buntis tayo. Madami tayong worries, madami tayong mga, alam nyo na sana okay lang yung baby. Yeah, sometimes pag hindi siya gumagalaw, sabihin ko okay lang kaya ito siya. Si Jenny kasi at Jessica din, yan din yung worries ko. Pero ambot, nakakain ba ako ng chicken liver sa kanila at kay JJ? Iwan ko. Parang ay hindi pala. Kay Jenny, hindi ko alam kung nakakain ba ako ng chicken liver. Pero itong sa isa, huy, sino mga nurse dyan? Let me know. Mga nurses natin na mga, baka mayroong nanonood ba na nurse? Baka alam nila. Tinanong ko yung aking kapatid na lalaki na nurse. yung nag-aaral ba ng nursing. Sabi ko, okay lang kaya itong baby boy. Sabi niya, I think okay lang na yung baby ni Muti. Nag-overthink ako most of the time about kay baby. Pero, di ba, tinatry ko yung best ko na happy lang talaga ako. Kaya ayaw ko nga ma-stress. Ngayon, kaya na-stress na naman ako sa aking mga kinain. Unsa naman si Inday ninyo eh. So, ngayon, sabi ni Mama, sabi ko, Ma, ano ang gamot ng pagsuol? Yung suol dito ba? Parang ulcer na, parang ginaganon na naman yung aking dito na naman. At ang giti na, unsa naman eh, na may sciatica, may kiti. Sabi ko kay Wayne, I think I'm really getting old. Kay 30 na ba ya ako, no? Ngayon ako nagbuntis. Sabi ko talaga sa kanya na before I turn 31 or 30, dapat kung gusto namin ng baby boy, mag-decide na talaga kami kasi pag over na ako ng age na yan, hindi na ako mag-anak. Depende sa plano, no? Baka mag-anak na naman ka ulit in the Elgin. Sakit ngayon, para siyang ulcer na ginaganon yung aking tiyan. Tapos yung nangyayari, ang sakit na mahapdi na basta, uy, sabi ko, Mama, anong bang gamot dito? Sabi niya, maglugaw daw ako. Kaya ngayon, naglulugaw ako. Ito, anong lugaw sa Tagalog? Basta lugaw. Lugaw man ito sa amin sa Bisaya. Lagyan ko daw ng konting asin. So, ito yung aking kakainin ngayon. Yung itong lugaw. Buti na lang, no? Kasi ang swerte ko, mayroon akong mama dyan na anytime pwede kong matanungan. Anytime pwede kong, you know, available ba all the time? Available talaga si Mama all the time. Pag mag-chat ako sa kanya, always yan. Reply yan siya straight away. Ma, anong gamot ng kuan, Ma? Ma, anong ganito, Ma? Siya yung taga-advise sa akin. Sabi niya sa akin, mas better na mag-fruits na lang daw ako. Mas healthy pa yung mga fruits, mga gulay. Yung sinabi ni Mama sa akin. So, yes, uy, mag-ampo lang talaga ako na okay lang si baby talaga. Yun yung aking always pinagdarasal na sana okay lang ang baby. Kasi meron pang ilang months bago ito siya lumabas. And hopefully hindi tayo mag-early. Yun, mga early labor, early delivery. I hope na ano lang talaga, full month. Yun yung always kong pinagdadasal ba na full. Kung sa man eh, your croissant. Ay! Ang pram na kuan, nabinta na. Hindi ko alam kung bibili pa ba ako ng bagong pram or yan na lang pram nila JJ. Luto na siguro to. Luto na tong lugaw ko, no? Lugaw for today. Kay gisuol ang tiyan ni Inday. Nagtulo-tulo ang lugaw. Kain tayo, guys. Dito na lang ako mag-end ha. Kay uy, naunsa na dyan ko ano ay. Ambot ni mo Inday Elgin. Naunsa na kadiha. Kain ng lugaw. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. God bless. Inyong lahat. Ingat.